Alright, hello everybody. This is a Bavaria 37-foot twin Volvo Pentas. I'm busy doing the inspection of the dive. It's wiped off some of the anode over there. You can see those white flags coming off. That is an indication that the anode is working. It's doing well. Checking out the prop over there a little bit. Giving it a few rotations just to see a few things over there. Checking out the rest of the engine. Just having a look at anything that stands out that might look a bit odd. And there we have the anode. There's another anode on the bottom over there. Still plenty of meat left. You don't have to worry about having to do anything with that anytime soon. Moving over to the stern thrusters. They've got a blade on each side, port and starboard, left and right. You can see in the center it's got an anode right in the middle there. It's turning. It's got a little bit of barnacles, but it turns, so we are good to go. And then on the other side, you see how much that anode has got a cauliflower effect, all those pieces coming off. That shows me that there might be a bit more current flowing through over there, but there's still plenty left of that anode. That's also turning. I've seen some of those guys completely overgrown with barnacles, you would not believe it. Alright, moving over to the intakes, just gave that one a bit of a wipe. Wiping the other side, you can see the light shining through over there on the other side. They are nice and clean. Forgot to get my watch timed on this dive, so I just got the timer going over there. And then we're going to move over to the starboard side engine intakes, just to give them a wipe and check that they're clean. Alrighty, and then we've got that anode looking real good over there. We're going to be moving on to the intake, also good. You can see the light shining through on the side. And then we see there the props are completely full of barnacles. A whole bunch of them. Lots and lots of barnacles over there. Moving on to the rest of the boat. Engine's looking good, nothing standing out, nothing broken, nothing looks damaged. Moving on with the rest of the hull, and we come to the paddle wheel. Alright, that one's spinning up nicely. No work to be done there. Let's continue on. Right, coming up to that guard over there. You can see that those fins have been dented in. There's no scrapes or anything like that, so it doesn't look like it's an impact. But they have been dented in. And we'll move on. Coming up next, we're going to check the anti-foul. We're going to give it a bit of a rub there. We wipe over there. You can see there's no growth whatsoever. None whatsoever. There's no soft growth hanging off, no barnacles. It's holding up really well. So there's no need to give it an actual wipe down. We want to preserve the anti-foul. Alright, and now we have got the bow thruster. Very few barnacles on there. Very seldom when I see that little growth on it, and it's busy. That's turning as well. It's not stuck. There's nothing keeping it from turning. You see a little bit more growth on the side because the sun does either side, so I have a little bit more, but it's nothing crazy. Have a look at the through hole, and it's completely clean. There's nothing inside. That's good. The sensor also looking alright. Okay, so that's the inspection finished. Let's be done with that. Nothing standing out to be damaged. Everything looks fine. Let's get cleaning. Right, so let's see that I'm busy scrubbing with the brush. I use soft, medium and heavy duty brushes, job dependent. It's important to get all the soft growth off first. You want to expose everything that's going on over there. It shows you some cracks, it shows you some of the dings, things that you want to see. Oh, what a view, eh? Looks nice. What a lovely place to be. Alright, continuing with the rest of the engine. Moving around to the other side. Alright, so you can see there's a little bit of a ding on that prop blade, on the blade over there. Looks like it took a knock somewhere. Right, so you see all those little white spots, all the barnacles. These are by far the smoothest props I've ever worked on. I've worked on a few of these before. These ones have been polished so nicely. Even though they are so smooth, the barnacles are sticking to them. As you can see on both sides, port and starboard, those barnacles are sticking to it. Look how nice and shiny that is, eh? But we're not done yet. So we use a scraper to knock off all the barnacles, very carefully doing this, just barely holding onto the scraper itself. Once we've got all the barnacles off, we focus on the bases as well. We need to get to the bases themselves. If you leave them, they will start to form clusters and grow even faster and faster and faster. I've seen fist-sized clusters before on these guys. So this does take quite a while, it does take time, you need to be patient, you need to focus. If you don't want to scratch the propellers, you just want to clean those barnacles and the bases off. Just slowly, gently tap them. And then you can see I found some damage on the port side. Looks like electrolysis, I'm not sure. Some pitting. But these are the kind of things that you find when cleaning all the soft growth off first. And then next up we are going to see a quick little clip of the waterline. Not much growth against the sides, only the one side where the sun hits it. We've got most of the growth happening over there. And then we're going to have a quick look at the barnacles that are no longer there on both of the props. Neither are the bases. And that is the dive done. Alright, thanks for watching.